Is that your sister? Say Margot.
Oh, so cute. Uh-oh.
Hi, Margot. Hi. Hi. Can you smile? Oh, he's holding your hand. Oh, what do you got? Aww.
Oh, Mila, you're still. Oh, look at Mila eating her noodles.
Mmm. Oh. Bag. Are you so sweet? Can you give her a kiss? Give her Hanny a kiss?
Give a kiss. Oh.
Oh, that is so sweet, honey.
Could you put 2 hot dogs on the same stick and you want beef, right?
You're all done?
Baby.
Okay, give one more hug. One more hug.
Big hug.
That's Winnie.
Hi, honey. What is it? Do you see the digger? Wow. Addie, what is it? What do you see, Addie? Is that a digger?
Digger.
Beck, what is it?
You want to go over there?
What is it, Beck?
Oh, there's Sissy. Go to Nana. Go to your Nana.
Say Nana.
That's gonna be for her. She'll always be everyone's Nana. She loves that.
He's saying Nana.
Do you see your Nana?
Where's Nana? Mila, Addie's looking for you. He's climbing up. Say Addie over here. Atlas, she's right here, baby. Wanna get down? Wanna play?
Yeah, Addie was looking for you.
Yeah.
You want me to?
No, there's no porta potty, is there?
We'll go in just a few.
Probably all the way down there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run to the bathroom and I'll be back.
Okay. Wanna get down and play a little bit more? Wanna go? Oh! Whee! Ready, Max? Woo! Someone's getting sleepy. He's waving to them. Are you waving to the diggers? Beck, say hi. He's sleepy. Say hi. 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 You see it? Does Papa drive one of those? Hi. Okay. Yay! Wee! Beck say wee! Woohoo! Say yay!
Yeah. A giant gun.
Again. You want me to push? Push! Woohoo! Push! Oh. Gotta have the thumb. Hi. I'm gonna get you. Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick.
Anybody anymore? Let it go. Anybody anymore? And then take it. And then it'll pee. You will rest. You will be next time. Now you want to sing with me.
Yay. Okay, I'm ready. Yes. So you can do a couple more times. Wow. Whoa. Okay, go in the bag next to your shopping cart. Just run and do one more time. Wow.
He said I got so super fast.
I know, they're so fast, super fast.
That's a loofah, so you can wash your body with that.
Okay, mommy's present, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Oh, cute.
that is really cute.
Not naughty.
And look at these. These go under your eyes.
Why?
It's like a little eye mask you put right there.
I want to do it too.
Okay, we might wait to do that one. Do you want to smell this? You can use this in the bath. Smell it. Yeah, just smell.
Kind of like lemonade.
Kind of like lemonade?
Yeah, kind of like lemonade.
It is.
I love this.
Oh, we got to keep those in there. Do you want to smell this one? This is like coconut. You put it in the shower to make the shower smell good. Here. Ready? Smell it.
Kind of like some things.
Mm-hmm. Is it good?
Oh, this might be cold.
Do you want that?
What is this?
That's the scrub that smells like lemonade. You want me to get it? Here. I'm going to smell it. It's good. Okay, I have
I
one.
want to put this on.
I have one more thing. You want to open it?
Yeah, so.
Okay.
Oh, no, I want to.
Okay, you do it.
Oh, he's so excited. Oh,
Oh my goodness. Okay, you want
what is that?
smell it?
Play like slime. Some sour like lemon sour.
Oh yeah.
Cocktails.
That smells good. Oh, cute.
Okay.
Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Other way.
No, don't do that.
And put it in the trash.
No, you're not putting in the trash.
Hand. Good job. Go hop. Addie, just on your butt, honey. On your butt, honey. Yes, just go on your butt. Okay.